Is your PS3 controller not charging at all? Don't worry, you're not alone. And yes, you can fix this in minutes. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let's get your controller powered up fast. This issue usually happens because of a faulty cable, a dead battery, or the controller not syncing properly with the console. Sometimes it's even just dust blocking the connection. The good news, you don't need to replace it right away. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check the charging cable and port. Most people skip this. Use a different USB cable that you know works. Plug it directly into the PS3, not a wall adapter. Also check the controller's charging port for dust or debris. Clean it gently with a toothpick or compressed air. Step 2. Reset the controller. Flip your controller over. You'll see a tiny reset hole near the L2 button. Use a paperclip and press it for about 5 seconds. Then reconnect the controller to your PS3 using a USB cable and press the PS button. This often fixes charging and syncing issues instantly. Step 3. Try a different USB port. Your PS3 USB port might be the problem. Plug into another port on the console. If that doesn't work, try charging through a powered USB hub or a laptop. If it charges there, your console port may be weak. Step 4. Replace the battery. If your controller is old, the battery might be dead. Open the back of the controller with a small screwdriver. Swap the battery with a new compatible one. It's cheap and takes less than 10 minutes. This is one of the most effective long-term fixes. Step 5. Force a proper charge cycle. Plug the controller into the PS3 and leave it charging for at least 1 to 2 hours without interruption. Even if the lights don't blink, let it sit. Sometimes the battery needs time to wake up. Step 6. Check for loose internal connections. If you're comfortable opening the controller, make sure the battery connector inside is firmly attached. A loose connection can completely stop charging. Step 7. Test with another controller. This helps you confirm if the issue is with your console or the controller itself. If another controller charges fine, your original one likely has a hardware issue. Pro tip: avoid using cheap third-party cables long term. They often deliver unstable power and can damage your controller battery over time. Stick to a good quality USB cable. That's it. Quick and practical fixes to get your PS3 controller charging again. If you try any of these and still have trouble, drop a comment below. I'll personally reply within 1 hour and help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fast and reliable tech fixes. Stay powered up.